it's ready. So, if you're wondering who has time to make everything from scratch, and if you don't make time for healthy food, your time on earth might as well become less. So, make healthy food. It actually tastes nice. This is pure brown bread. Alright. Hello everyone. Today we're shooting how we can how we can bond over a bread making session. Isn't that interesting? So come along with me and bond with us. Hi.
Hi, why are we baking bread? Can't we buy it from the store?
We can, but you know why? Because all the breads contain maida, and maida is like the most shittiest thing you can eat. And although all these
But
bakeries,
we can buy brown bread.
no, even brown bread is mostly colored. I mean, it's not made of pure wheat or anything. It's just a way of marketing. So the best way is you can make it at home. And trust me, once you make it, you're going to bake it again and again. That's because of the smell that you get and the way you make it, you enjoy it.
Let's see.
Well, if you're wondering that, does this mean that Manasa makes every single thing in her kitchen from scratch? I can only tell you that I'm trying to, because it's not that I don't buy anything from supermarket. I do buy because I'm still in the process of searching where I can buy my stuff from the best possible source. And but yes, definitely I'm making some good changes in the kitchen. And but then I totally have to credit my mom, because she always cultivated good food habits in me. Because see, after we become an adult, changing a habit can be very very tough. We all know that sugar is very addictive. It's exactly, I mean, it's actually a drug, because it works very similarly to what we call as drugs. I mean, I don't think I have to give examples for that, but so when you take drugs, it releases dopamine in your brain, and sugar does exactly the same. That's why you crave for it, like you love desserts so much. So, you guys, if you're interested in getting your wheat grinded, there is a mill in Filmnagar. So, you have to take the wheat and just go there.
It will be in other areas also, definitely. It's not a rare thing.
Yeah,
You
it's
find it easily.
definitely not like sometimes it is found everywhere. So, if you're able to inculcate habits at a very young age, it really helps. And like I never understood why my mom used to give me sprouts, dates, nuts as my snack for school, because all the other kids used to bring Indian tiffins, and I would be the one with a very something very different that they don't even know. Everyone would share their stuff with each other, and I would eat everybody's food, but then nobody used to eat mine. But I'm so thankful to my mom that I now can understand that she has invested on my health. And I think that's the greatest thing a parent can pass on to her kid. I think, cooking food together actually brings a family together, because these days, see, we are all occupied with so many other things. Like, we all like to do things very differently. Like, what I do is very different from what Shubram does, and what he does is something really I don't know much about. So, but then cooking is something like a common platform. It will bring people together. So try to spend that time with your mom or with whoever is there making that food for you. So it will really enhance that bond, and then you will make those small conversations where you will speak about how your day is going, how their day is going on, what are their future plans, how are they seeing this quarantine life. It's so damn important, trust me. And so, why we give so much importance to make these stuff at home is because if you see, it's only 20-25 years ago that this sudden flood of these packaged food or processed food, refined oils, and pasteurized milk, which is all really shit. I mean, you should not consume all this. The safest way is getting directly from farm. I know, although these days there's so much ongoing about this organic farming or organic food, but again, we really don't know how trustworthy is that brand or whatever. So the best way is getting it from the farm, and so we try to procure it ourselves, and then we try to make it in the most purest possible way, because ultimately it is us getting benefited with what we are eating.
It's been 1 hour now. So it's been 1 hour, and look at the dough. It is risen big enough. Now we can take it out and start kneading it. Would you like to knead it?
Me? You want me to do it?
Come, try. It will be sticky, but don't worry. Don't use too much flour now. Even if it's sticky, let it stay. Okay. And you have to do this for at least 10 minutes. So,
10 minutes.
Yes. Don't try to take a shortcut, because if you do, your bread won't taste as well as it should be tasting. So that's the key now.
Ultimately, whatever money that we earn, it all comes down to food, because where do most people spend their money? It's all in going to hospitals, when you get some disease. It's again, even if you see about this virus, whoever has better immunity has good chances, right? So always, find the purest forms of food. Yeah. So life is all about food, isn't it?
Aren't your hands paining? Do you need help? Let me give you a hand.
Okay.
Take a breath.
Food undoubtedly determines the way we think, the way we feel, the way we age. I'm sure that most of us want to age gracefully or want to look young for a very long time. So, as much interest as we put on finding what is the best restaurant around, or what is the good food recommendation around, we need to put that interest in finding out the best resources for procuring our food to the kitchen. So, please invest on your health, because you're truly what you eat.
I was just thinking, what do you want to eat this bread with? Definitely not jam, right?
Yeah, I was thinking of jam actually. That's what is the most famous combination, right?
I'm thinking maybe tomorrow we should make some homemade peanut butter.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let me check the recipe.
Yeah, let's go check the recipe. So this is how we like to spend time with each other, and this is how we like to bond. So how are you bonding with your family? Do share with me in the comment section, and do subscribe to this channel if you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.